Hello everybody. I had a few people ask me how do I find my assignments, so I wanted to show you really quickly. I have logged in as a student, so if you log into Canvas, this should be what you see. I'm going to click on Math. Once inside of the math class, modules is where you find the daily work, and I put that down here. Daily work can be found in modules or by clicking the link below. So modules is over here on the left, or it's down here where it says daily work. So today is Tuesday. For today you have a video for some notes. The video is about 25 minutes long, but this is your only assignment for the day. So I feel like that's okay. This link will take you to YouTube to watch the video if you just click it. And I did go and watch it and make sure it was there. I had a hard time with it this morning. I thought it was there and it wasn't really there, but there's your video. Below, you can hit submit assignment right here and it will let you attach the file. So by doing this with Presley, I found it's easiest to take a picture and submit it through the Canvas Student app. But that doesn't necessarily have to be how you do it. But you can upload a file. It will let you upload as many pictures as you need into one submission. Some of you have also asked, where do I find the book? So I'm going to go back to home. I linked the textbook, so online textbook, and it should pull this up, and I am just going to log in with a student's information. So there's those 3 topics. I don't actually need to see the textbook, but if I clicked here it would let me. If I click on classes, it should show me any assignments that you have. So I know this is 802 math. So if you're in my homeroom, you're 802. If you're in Mr. Anderson's homeroom, you're 801, but the assignments are the same. Both of these assignments are open, and you have until September 9th to complete the first one and September 10th to complete the second one. So I didn't have to browse the book or anything like that. And there are no grades. So far you haven't received any grades because this student hasn't completed the assignment. But if I click on classes, it will show me the 2 things that have been assigned for math so far. And I can exit when I finish. I also linked a Desmos calculator. This is the calculator that you use for the K-Prep from now on. So I did link it, and it's a free calculator if you don't have one. If you click this little thing at the bottom, it brings up all kinds of different things. So like we were talking about square roots and cube roots, if I hit 8 squared, it will tell me the answer is 64. Well, if I hit 8 and then I hit this, it will let me type in cubed, and it will tell me 8 cubed is 512. So again, I can use this little AB and I can type in third power, or if I just want to use squared, it's already here. Or if I'm looking for the square root of 121, it will tell me it's 11. Now you will notice when I just had in 12, it gave me a decimal. Can anybody think of why that might be? Well, 12 is not a perfect square, so it's not going to give me a whole number. Like I know 25 is a perfect square. 25 gives me 5, but if I put in 30, 30 is not a perfect square, it's going to give me a decimal. And we will talk about that. But if I wanted to use the Desmos calculator, I can. It is online and it's free. I think there might be an app if you wanted to put it on your phones, but you don't have to. There is nothing to submit. Let's see. There is nothing to submit, like for the 1-4 practice. There's nothing you actually need to submit here in Canvas. When you click the textbook and you click complete the work in the textbook site, then you don't actually have to submit anything here for today or for tomorrow, because it's also linking you to the textbook site tomorrow too. So I hope this helps. If you have questions, just make sure you let me know.